Hello everyone, this is Rosina Amolik from Fellowship Mission School. In this video, I'm going to cover a topic that is number conversion from chapter number 2 of grade 11th data representation. Now the first conversion is decimal to binary, how to convert a decimal number into a binary number. There are two procedures for converting a number from decimal to binary. The first method requires the table of power to 2. Here we'll see one example. The decimal number is 43. I'm writing here base 10. It means it's a decimal number. Solution. Now this table is called as the table of power of 2. So table of power of 2 means what? 2 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2. 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 7. So this is the raised to power of 2. So this is called as your table of power of 2. Now how to solve it? Now how to get a binary number we will see. From the table 32 is the largest number without exceeding 43. Now we have to see the number. What is the number? 43. Now 43 को exceed नहीं करना चाहिए but 43 के नज़दीक होना चाहिए वो number. So it cannot be 64 because it is exceeding 43. So we will take the number 32. So 32 के नीचे 1 लिखना है. Rest of the ahead value will be 0. So 1 0 0 0 0 0. So 1 0 0 0. 32 will be represented as 1 and 5 times 0. Now 43 minus 32. Now whatever is the original number minus the number which we have taken. So 43 minus 32 will give you 11. So from the table, which is the nearest largest number to 11? Now 16 will exceed 11. So we will consider as 8. So this number will be 1 and rest will be 0, 0, 0. So here we will see 8 equals to 1 and 3 times 0. Now again we will repeat the same thing. So now 11 minus 8 is equals to 3. Now from the table the largest number before 3 is 2. So here it will be 1, 0. So here you can see 2 is what? 1 and 0. Now 3 minus 2 will give you 1. So this will be 1. So from the table 1 is the largest number without exceeding 1. So the last number will be 1. Now we have to add all the binary numbers what we have obtained. This is binary number for 32. This is binary number for 8. This is binary number for 2. And this is binary number for 1. So the actual answer is 101011. Thus 43 in binary is 101011. Now here you can see I have written to the base 2. It's compulsory to write whenever you are converting any number to other number. So 43 to the base 10, which is equals to 101011 to the base 2 in binary. We'll see one more example. Convert 200 to the base 10 to binary. Now solution, we all know the solution. We have to get the table of power of 2. Now here is the table of the power of 2. Find the largest number. Now what is our number? Our number is 200. So we have to find the largest number nearer to 200. So the number nearer to 200 is what? 128. Okay, without exceeding 200, the largest number is 128. See here, the number is 128. So 200 minus 128 is 72. And the binary representation for 128 is this will be true and rest will be 0, that is rest will be false. So 1 0 0 0 0. Now we have to see 72. Nearer largest number to 72 is 64. So here you can see 64 equals to this will be 1 and rest will be 0. So this is how, that is 1 and 6 times 0. Now 72 minus 64 will give you 8. So 8 means this 1 and rest will be 0. So here you can see 8 means 1 and 3 times 0. Now there is no further simplification because 8 minus 8 will be 0. So here your answer is 200 equals to, you have to add all the binary number, that is 001, 0011. Thus 200 to the base 10, that is your decimal number 200, will be represented in binary 11001000. So this is how you can convert a decimal number into binary number. Now we will see one more method, that is the second method of converting decimal into binary. This method is called as repeated division method. We'll see an example. The same example we will see, that is 43 to the base 10. Now repeated division method means what? You have to repeatedly divide this number by 2. Now why only with 2? Because we are going to convert it into binary. So we are going to repeatedly divide the number by 2. And we are going to carry the remainder of the division. So here we begin with the division. 43 divided by 2 will give answer as 21 and the remainder will be 1. Again we will divide the number. The 21 divided by 2, the answer will be 10. Again the remainder will be 1. Again divide the number by 2. 2 divided by 10 will give answer as 5 and the remainder will be 0. Again divide the number. 5 divided by 2 will give answer as 2 and the remainder will be 1. Again 2 divided by 2 will give me answer as 1 and the remainder will be 0. Now I have to divide the number until it is 0. So again I am going to divide 1 by 2. That is 2 into 0 will give answer as 0 and 0 minus 1 will give remainder as 1. Okay, so this are your remainder. You have to remember this remainders and you are going to write it from below to up. नीचे से ऊपर आपको लिखना है. That is, this will be the writing order from most significant beat to least significant beat. So the answer is 43 to the base 10, which is equals to 101011 to the base 2. Okay, you can tally the answer with the previous method. The answer for both the method will be same. One more example, same number we will see, that is 200. Again you are going to use repeated division method. So this is your division and this is your remainder. You are going to divide the number, that is 200 divided by 2, which will give 100 and the remainder will be 0. 100 divided by 2 will be 50, remainder will be 0. 50 divided by 2 will be 25, remainder will be 0. 25 divided by 2 will be 12 and the remainder will be 1. Now 12 divided by 2 will be 6 and the remainder will be 0. 6 divided by 2 will be 3 and the remainder will be 0. Again 3 divided by 2 will be 1 and the remainder will be 1. And lastly 1 will get divided by 2, that is 2 divided by 1 will give answer as 0 and the remainder will be 1. So you are going to write in this order, that is from most significant beat to least significant beat. And lastly your 200 to the base 10 is nothing but 11001000 to the base 2. So this is the binary representation of decimal number 200. Next is binary to decimal. Now the conversion which we have seen, the two different method, that was to convert decimal to binary. Now we will see how to convert a binary number to a decimal number. The binary number system is a positional system where each binary digit carries a certain weight based on the positional value relative to least significant beat. Any binary number can be converted to its decimal equivalent simply by summing together the weights of the various position in the binary number which contain as 1. जो भी binary number 1 होगा वो सारे numbers आपको add करने हैं with the positional value of that number. To illustrate, consider an example. Now we will see one example. The binary number is 11011. We'll see the solution. Now this is the binary number. So here add positional weights. I'm going to add the positional weight. सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? This number will be 2 raised to 0, then 2 raised to 1. This is 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. After that, you have to add the numbers. So 2 raised to 4 is 16, 2 raised to 3 is 8, 2 raised to 2 is 4, but anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. 2 raised to 1 is 2 and 2 raised to 0. Now remember, 2 raised to 0 is always 1. Now you have to add all these numbers. So the addition is 27 to the base 10. It means 11011 to the base 2, which is equals to 27 of decimal number. We will see one more example. Convert 10110101 to the base 2. Now, according to the previous solution, we will solve the same. This is your binary number, okay, and you're going to add the positional values. So this will be 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, this will be 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 7. Now here you can see I've written 0. Why 0? Because whatever will be the answer multiplied by 0 will give me answer as 0. So here this all values I've written as 0. Now always you're going to add positional weights to the value, to the binary value 1. So here 2 raised to 7 is 128. This is 0. 2 raised to 5 is 32. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 0. 2 raised to 2 is 4. 0. And 2 raised to 0, that is number raised to 0, will give me answer as 1. So I'm going to add all this number. After adding all this number, the answer is 181. So your binary number, that is 10110101 to the base 2, which is equals to your decimal number 181. Now we will see one more method of converting your number from binary to decimal. It is called as double method. Now same example we are going to take, that is 11011 to the base 2. Solution. Now this is a number. Copy the leftmost bit. What is the leftmost bit? 1. Okay, you have to consider this bit, that is 1. Multiply by 2, add next bit. Okay, you have to multiply this number by 2 and you have to add the next bit. So here 2 into 1 plus 1 equals to 3. Now again this one is the next bit. Again multiply 2, add the next bit. So 2 into 3, that is here this number. 2 into 3 plus the next bit is what? The next bit is 0. So 2 into 3 plus 0 will give answer as 6. Again multiply by 2 and add the next bit. So I'm going to multiply 2 into 6 plus 1. Now this one is there, this bit, which will give answer as 13. Again repeat the same procedure. Multiply 2 and add the next bit. So 2 into 13 plus 1. This one is the last bit, which will give answer as 27. So here final answer is 11011 to the base 2, which will give decimal number as 27. Now you can compare the answer or the conversion of the previous method. The answer for the binary number will be same. So this was about your number conversion, how to convert your binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Hope so this video is helpful for you in your studies. Thank you.